What's up, fam? We're starting a new YouTube series, vlogs. Welcome to this video. My name's Yusuf. I'm not introducing you yet. My name's Yusuf, for you guys that don't know me, and this is our new tech. Adam, introduce yourself. What's up, dog?
Buenos dias.
This boss man right here.
What up,
What up, dog? Alright, so this is a budget build. Well, it was a budget build till he started working here.
No, it's still a budget as far as the internals go.
Okay.
It's just a Boss 302 rods, stock pistons. The rings are gapped to 25 thousandths. Other than that, I got, and I also did upgraded the oil pump.
Okay.
15 pounds of boost right now, but it's still tuning, so there's zero timing in it. I'm supposed to hear back from my tuner today. So hopefully make 650, 700 if we can get more fuel.
Tell me to hurry up.
Well, I'm
I'm fucking shit right now.
Life goes on. I'm done praying for you.
She is. Dude, she started yesterday. I start getting text messages. 14 hours, 12 hours.
Hey, I would be excited too.
I might be just a little bit excited.
Damn.
Gotta spoil you, boy.
See,
You're taking
like
me-
A1 customers right here.
Y'all take care of us and we're gonna take care of you.
I mean, do they really need that, Jay?
Realistically, not.
With
No.
the carbon fiber
If
stuff?
it was an aluminum one, much more important, right? With a carbon fiber, it's usually going to splinter as opposed to coming through the car. Basically, a high RPM knife. I've seen them come through the trans tunnel, like literally just open it like a fucking peel it back. Yes, it is important. It's probably not as important for them on a carbon fiber shaft because it's likely to splinter, and then even then, once it splinters, it's not going to damage the metal. The idea behind this is to protect the driver from that coming into the car.
Real quick, can you tell people the story of this car and how long it's been here and what you did to it?
Yeah, it's been here over a year, and it's been a journey. We, you know, to give you an idea, like this was the kind of intelligence that was putting the car together. Right.
Yeah.
Like if you don't know how to write the word right, wouldn't you just put like an R on it? Wouldn't you just be like, I don't know how to spell, so I'm just gonna put an R. It came to me, allegedly had oil pump gears, crank sprocket, blower, ID 1000s, fuel system upgrade, blah, blah, blah. It had none of that shit. The OPG and crank sprocket was in it, but it was OEM. It was not the upgraded billet boundary stuff. The timing was out. We had 17 codes when we did get the car to run. There was stock injectors, not ID 1000s. The customer paid for ID 1000s, 1050s. Factory is a Roush blower. The Roush blower was seized. The bearing inside was so stuck that Brett Limoniger from Jokers had never seen one that stuck, that rusted, when we sent it out to get ported. So we've been just slowly reviving this car, bringing it back to life. We did oil pump gears on it and crank sprocket on it first, got it timed correctly, got rid of some of those codes, went to try and get it to run. Once we did that, we identified that obviously it did not have the correct injectors in it because we wrote a tune for ID 1050s and it wouldn't run. Went out and inspected the vehicle, saw that it had stock injectors, not even stock for the blower, not even like the Roush stock, but like the 19-pound OEM stock. And then it had like the 2M fab headers that were like the old school Chinese ones that weren't even any good. And so it was rubbing the starter and it was rubbing the steering shaft and it was just dog shit. And then it had some cheap ass muffler shop exhaust on it. So we've redone everything. We went through the suspension, we got all that done, we got the car realigned, we put drag radials front and rear on it, we put Texas Speed long tubes that now connect to Corsa. We did Corsa double helix X pipe into the Corsa Sports, so from a sound perspective, it's identical to the RTR. From a fitment perspective, it's phenomenal, we don't have any more issues. But yeah, it's got a full fuel system in it now, it's tuned by Wingard Performance, it makes all the beans, it's got a Vengeance Stage 1 clutch in it. Which if you haven't seen those, they are absolute gorgeous. The flywheels are made from full billet. So yeah, we're excited to get this thing back. We wound up porting the blower, powder coating it purple, putting a dual pump fuel system in it with a regulator on it. We put the FIC 1000s in it. We did custom fuel rails. We did pulley on the blower. We did, just the air intake even was all cracked and broken and shit, so we replaced that. We put the brass IAT2 sensor in. We did pretty much all the stuff that we would do to my car, like the same stuff we did to my car. The only thing we haven't done yet is I do have a killer chiller here for it. We're on the fence as to whether or not we're going to install it, because I think I have a solution outside of the killer chiller going forward for the Roush guys. So, but yeah, man, we're excited to get this thing on the road. It's probably got to be north of 800 horsepower to the tire, and it's pretty rad.
What up? Damn.
So it's about the
You look a little mad. You good?
What up? Morning. Have some breakfast, man.
Buenos dias, Consuelo.
Bobby eating rice, being diabetic.
But he buys the shittiest fucking sodas in the world. Oh, I'm gonna eat a bag of fucking sugar, but let me get a Coke Zero. Like, what the fuck is wrong with you? I'm proud. I don't even want to talk about it. Proud up.
You guess what he wants though?
What you expect, bro?
More time off. I don't know.
Damn, Rick.
I expect that from everybody else except for him.
And while I'm working, I come here talking shit about how I'm working. Nothing.
It makes
I
good.
go in there and fucking talk about you dweebs on your computer.
So Adam realized that he has to take even more stuff out to get that drive safety loop out. So I'm up here helping him with the e-brake. I don't know why, but gotta do it.
I'm finna post that.
Here, Parker Performance.
Goes on. I'm done praying for you.
Put all the BNR stuff with here.
Yeah, I mean, she's just adamant about coming out.
And he's hoping that he buys us out. Fuck that. I hope he fucking treats you like shit.
I dropped the ratchet one day. Over here, it dropped and shot the fucking battery up like 6 foot
Into the coolant jug.
into the pool. We're like, how did I even?
I was like, we couldn't do that if they paid us $1 million.
Strong, but not strong enough. Look at this fucking, my fucking finger's bigger than this, literally. I found. And my jam's on.
This is your jam.
I was gonna be Adam. Yeah. And I was like, no, let me. I just.
Oh, don't say it's gonna be Adam.
The banjo.
Oh, when I pull this banjo, we're gonna leak all the coolant out of the car probably. But it's gotta come out. Can I get a response of anything?
Too late now, Bucko.
I'd say, well,
Yeah, I was gonna
keep
say.
moving. I mean, at this
Well, I'm
point, we
trying
just
to-
put coolant in it.
He's holding his finger in the
Well,
dike right now.
let's get a bucket. Yusuf, can you get on
We
there?
have one down there.
No, but I'm looking at. I had fucking leaves and dirt floating in my pool. I fucking sent her right back in, bud. To the moon.
That's why she's smoking like that.
The coolant ain't got nothing to do with my oil leak.
Hey yo. Wow.
Me and Josh were just talking about you making something for us the other day.
Like a week.
I can't remember what it was. Can you? Oh, you know what? We did need you to make something. It's easy. That tells me instantly to run away. We need something literally just basically like this almost, except not as thick. Oh yeah, I need something like this, but I don't know how to do that. Yes, you do. That's like the first thing you learn how to do in fucking machining or whatever you do. That's fantastic news. You know them bolts I'm talking about. You know them bolts dropped. Well, I was tightening the stub with one hand, and that, you know what I mean?
Is that when you said I can't focus on two things?
Yes, exactly. And there at the same time,
You can't
and
do both.
lick her ear, you're like, your legs start shaking, you don't know what's going on.
Yeah, you getting to her?
Yeah.
All right.
With a long extension? Yeah. And he's gonna get it on and be like, Adam, where's your shot at? But I can't fucking see the fucking thing.
What's up, Bobber?
But
Latest.
Bob Dog in the cut, you know, it's 10 a.m.
He just woke up.
Got here immediately, 10 a.m.
Josh Jr. right there.
JP Jr.
A couple hours in and Adam is still not done. He's just talking and wasting our time.
You know, I haven't fought anybody in a real long time. Maybe I'll just tie one arm behind my back.
Get to work. So customer is actually finally testing the car out. It's been so long since you've driven that car, so yeah. All right, well this car is finally going home after I want to say over a year of being at the shop. We are fully done with it. We fixed it up and customer is beyond happy. What'd you call him? Retard.
Come on, I can't be on social media saying retard.
Y'all know who he's talking to, so you need to step the fuck up and fuck him up. Real
Come
talk.
on,
Real talk.
You wearing that white tee thinking he's some shit.
Come on, cash me outside. How about that?
How about that?
Are you gonna copy everything he says?
I'm trying to work, bro.
About to come over there, and maneuver some shit.
Maneuver his dick.
I go.
I really got that on camera, bro. Well, Adam made a mess again, so it's gonna take a little longer than expected. Yeah.
Well,
Yeah. Fuck you, Adam. All right, first BNR600 startup. Let's do it.
It's leaking from
I called you right now.
so on the banjo bolts we have crush washers. They're brass crush washers, and they're just too skinny, and the inner diameter of them is kind of loose, so it's not sitting flush, and when you tighten it's just kicking over. So it's an easy fix. We just need the store and the time. Yeah, we just need a better brass crush washer. So you have to wait till tomorrow.
All right, well, this is part of it. Thank you guys for watching. Stuff like this usually doesn't happen, but when it does, it's bound to happen. It's race car stuff. Things break. It's a new product. We're just testing it out. So we'll come back with another video tomorrow, the day after. Yeah, thanks for watching.
So,